Hey there, future scholars! Today let's unravel the mystery of the standard error of measurement, or SEM. Yeah, I know it sounds a bit dry, but trust me, this is a game changer in the world of statistics and testing. So buckle up. First off, what exactly is SEM? In simple terms, SEM tells us how much error we can expect in a test score. Imagine you take a test multiple times. SEM helps us understand how much your scores might vary due to measurement error. It's like the margin of error, but for tests. Pretty cool, right? Now why is SEM important? Well, it gives us a sense of the accuracy and reliability of test scores. If the SEM is low, that means the test is pretty reliable. High SEM? Not so much. It's crucial for educators and psychologists to know how much they can trust the scores. Okay, let's get a bit technical for a second. To calculate SEM, you need two things: the standard deviation of the test scores and the reliability coefficient of the test. Don't worry if that sounds complex, just remember, lower SEM means higher reliability. So, how does this apply to you? If you're a student, understanding SEM can help you gauge how dependable your test scores really are. If you're an educator, it can guide you in creating better assessments. Here's a quick example. Imagine you scored 85 on a math test with a SEM of 3. This means your true score likely falls between 82 and 88. Knowing this can help reduce anxiety about one-off test performances. Alright, there you have it, folks. A quick dive into the world of SEM. Understanding this little nugget of information can make a big difference in how you perceive tests and scores. So next time you see SEM, instead of scratching your head, you'll be nodding with confidence. Catch you in the next video.